Hi car friends, this is a performance comparison of the two cars, BMW F11 530 diesel stage 1 tuned, and a stock petrol Audi A6 45 sedan. The BMW has 301 horsepower and 623 Nm torque, and the Audi has 245 horsepower and 370 Nm torque. Performance figures are better for the BMW, but the Audi is lighter. The video shows first single runs included the performance graph, then side by side. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. I am thankful for all the support I get. Write a comment and I will get back to all of you.